Let's see how we can create IAM user in AWS with full access or any level of access that you want to give to that user. First, I'll log in as a root user. You can go into this URL, signin.aws.amazon.com, and enter your email and then log in, enter your password. I have two-factor authentication, so I'll just check my authenticator code, log in. And once you are in the Amazon console, you need to go to IAM. Okay, so if you don't see this here, you can just click on this three icons here, click this arrow. Okay, my bad. Click on all services, and here search for IAM. Here you will see IAM in security, identity, and compliance. Click on this, and in this IAM dashboard, you will see users, roles, users groups, and so on. So user groups have permissions for different Amazon features. Okay, so you need to create a user group and then assign that user group to a user. So let's go ahead and create a user. And in this tutorial, I'll create an admin user. Okay, click on create user, enter your username. Let's say I'll just call this test user. And if you want this user to be able to log into this console, click on this provide user access AWS management console. Okay, now I'll just choose auto generate password. If you want custom password, you can just enter your password here. If you auto generate password, you'll be able to see your password at the end. Now just click on next. Now I already have these two users, right? Sorry, these two groups. Now admin has administrator access, which is what you want to give now. So in your case, you will not see any one of these things. So just click on create group and here search for admin, and you will see administrator access and so on. So these are administrator access for various features of AWS. Now select this one, and if you want to see what these are, you can just drag this and see what it is. So here you can see the description provides full access to AWS services and resources. So you need to select this one and click on create. Okay, first add a name and just write admin test and click on create user group. So now a user group is created called admin test with administrator access. So now just select this, and this group with all the features or all the attached policies will be selected, and just click on next. Now you just click on create user, and you need to use this username and this password to log in to AWS console. So now you can copy this URL. Let's just check this. I'll copy this, go to incognito mode, and let's use this user and this password to log in. So this was the user, and what's the password? This was the password. Let's log in and see if I have administrator access or not. Okay, now I need to reset my password after the first login. Enter your old password here, enter new password, and click confirm password change. And now you'll need to sign in again. Okay, you don't need to sign in again, you are already signed in. So now you have access to all the features besides billing, because normally you don't give billing access to different user. If you want to give billing access to, you can select billing from the policy section while we are creating a user. So this is how you can create an admin user for AWS console. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.